Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change CSC on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Okay, we gotta open up the settings, then scroll all the way down, go to About Phone. When it comes to the exact model number, it's right in here. In my case, it's SAM A57 6B. If you go to software information, and then scroll down a little bit to service provider software version, you can check what is your current CSC. In my case, it's EUX. Okay, now we gotta slide to the upside a little bit. And now we gotta tap on the build number 7 times in a row. And thanks to that, we will launch the developer mode. Then go back. For now, we also gotta go to security and privacy. And we need to turn off the auto blocker for now. Click on turn off. Then go back, scroll all the way down, developer options, scroll again, and find USB debugging, and you need to enable this feature. Okay, and also there is a small chance that when you change CSC, the phone will perform the factory reset. There's a small chance for that, but it exists, so you can create a backup of the data before, just in case, but it shouldn't happen. Okay, now let me switch for my desktop. Visit our page, HardReset.Info, go to download section. In here type, or actually it's right in here, the Samsung drivers, and you need to download them. Okay, then go again to download section and type SAM FRP. Select SAM FRP bypass tool, but before you click download, you need to turn off your antivirus for now. Don't worry, this app is not a threat or anything like that. Basically, every FRP tool app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we need to turn it off. I'm using Windows Defender, so I gotta go into virus and threat protection settings, then manage, and the real-time protection needs to be turned off for now. Of course, later you can turn it on again. And now we can click the download button. Okay, now open up the downloads folder, and we need to extract the bypass tool and the Samsung drivers. I'm using WinRAR, so right click, WinRAR, extract to. If you're using a different app, go ahead. Or if you don't have any app, you can right click, extract all, and extract, and it will also fully work. Okay, now we need to install Samsung drivers, so double click and start the installation. Click on yes. Okay, click on next, next, and install. You can also install the bypass tool in the meantime. Double click, launch the setup. More info, run anyway. Select that you agree, next, 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 and install. Unselect to launch the tool for now, click on finish, and we also need to wait for the Samsung drivers now. Okay, and now click on finish. If you are installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, you need to restart the computer right now, because if you don't restart, it won't work. If you restart, now you can turn on your bypass tool. Okay. And now we need to connect our phone to our computer using the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have the original one, you can use a different, good quality USB-C cable. So connect your phone to your computer. Okay. And it's really important that in our FRP tool, our device needs to appear as a Samsung modem. Now, select Always Allow from this computer and click on Allow. If it doesn't appear right now, you gotta click on MTP, then change CSC, and it will appear right now, in your case. Now, in here we have the list of all supported CSCs for our model. Now click on Phone Supported CSC and select the CSC that you want. If you don't know what country you are selecting, you can, of course, type each CSC in the internet and you'll have answer what country it is. For example, in my case, let's try to change for TUR, which is Turkey. And now click on Change. Now we need to wait. The phone will do the job. Close up the windows that appear. Okay, and now we can see changing CSC to TUR, okay, and it means that it has worked. Now let's wait until the phone turns on and we'll verify the CSC in our settings. Okay, you can unplug the cable right now, you won't be needing it anymore. Let's wait until the phone turns on. You can also close the tool as well. Okay, swipe to the upside. Settings. Scroll down. About phone. Software information. And as you can see, it has been changed to TUR. When it comes to the last two CSCs, it always stays just like it was before. It's impossible to change it, but we are only interested in the first 4 codes. And as you can see, everything has worked and it has been changed to TUR. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.